Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to continue talking about surface area. It's just now we're going to look at triangular prisms. We've already done rectangular, so let's just jump on in and see what we're working with. Okay, so first, what is surface area of triangular prisms? It's the same thing as it was with rectangular prisms. It's just now they're triangular. So I guess we need to look at what is the difference. Okay, so the surface area of a triangular prism is the sum means add, so remember that. The sum of the area of the two triangular bases and the three rectangular faces. So we've got our prism here, here's its net, there's the two triangular bases on the top and the bottom, and in the middle we have our three rectangular faces. So the surface area is the sum of all of those areas. Okay, so that's not too bad. So let's go ahead and look really quick. Here's another example, triangular prism. It's in its three-dimensional shape. We've got one triangular base here. The other one is invisible because it's behind, but we've got another triangular base back here. And then the three rectangular faces, the three rectangular sides, right? And just for your information, the distance between the height of the triangular prism is the distance between the two bases. So this line right over here, all right? Okay, so let's jump in. I've got a couple examples I want to look at with you guys. All right, so the first one is right here. So you'll notice it's similar. I've got our table here where we can keep our stuff organized, the area for each face. We've got the front and the back. And if you'll notice about the formulas, they're both triangulars, or they're triangles. So the formula is 1/2 base times height. And then we've got the three sides. And again, rectangles, so the formula area equals base times height, right? Now, for the triangles, the 1/2 base times height, the base is 1, the height is 9, right? So 1 times 0.9 is 0.9, and 1/2 of 0.9 is 0.45. So there's the area of the two congruent bases. The sides all have a base of 2 and a height of 1. So the area equals 2 times 1, which is 2. So the three sides have an area of 2 centimeters squared. Okay, so we found the area of each face. We add them together. We get 0.45 plus 0.45 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6.9. And the last thing I'm going to remember is we need to include the unit. And the unit here is centimeters because it's surface area. Those centimeters are squared. So the surface area of this triangular prism equals 6.9 centimeters squared. Okay, so then that's all we do. Find the area of each face, add all those faces together, and then remember to put in the unit, and there we go. So let's look at one more really fast, and then that'll be it. So here we have another triangular prism. We've got the triangular bases, the front and the back, and then the three rectangular sides. Okay, so again, formulas: triangle, area equals 1/2 base times height. The base is 15, the height is 8. So 15 times 8 is 120. 120 divided by 2, or 1/2 of 120 is 60. So the area of the bases are 60 meters squared and 60 meters squared. Now the three sides, rectangles, so base times height. The first one is 15 by 20. So 15 times 20 is 300. There we go. 300 meters squared. We're done with that one. The second one, rectangle, base times height. So base is 17, height is 20. 17 times 20 is 340. And we're good there, 340 meters squared. The third one, area equals base times height. Base is 8, height is 20. 8 times 20 is 160. And there we go. Include the unit, 160 meters squared. So the five sides of this triangular prism are 60 meters squared, 60 meters squared, 300 meters squared, 340 meters squared, and 160 meters squared. So now let's do the second step here, and let's add all those sides together. Add up all those areas. So 60 plus 60 plus 300 plus 340 plus 160. When you add them all up and you get them all put in, it equals 960. And then the last thing we need to remember, we need to make sure we need to remember the unit. The unit was meters, surface area, so it's meters squared. So our final answer is the surface area equals 960 meters squared. Okay, and that is it. That's what we're doing this week. Good luck. Can't wait to see what you guys are doing, and keep up the hard work. You guys are doing